Congratulations on your purchase of a Vermac PCMS-320 from ATS Traffic. Now let's make sure that you and your crew are safe as possible when you set this up on the road. First things first, when you get to site, make sure that your wheel jacks are fully deployed. There are 4 of them on this trailer, and it wouldn't be inappropriate to use dunnage if you're going into a high slope condition. One of the key factors that you want to make sure though is once your wheel jacks are deployed, these wheels need to spin freely without touching either the cement, the pavement, or any gravel or dirt. And the reason being is you don't want the wheels to have any traction to prevent any type of walking in a high wind condition. Walking equals bad news for everyone. Okay, now let's deploy the solar panels. Stand up on the trailer, make sure you have a good footing, release the brake to allow the tilt and rotate mechanism to function properly, and now crank up the solar panels to a 45-degree angle to allow for maximum sun exposure and to ensure that the solar regulator is topping up and maintaining those batteries. Once you've got the solar panels in the south-facing position, you just lock the brake back in place, and that will prevent it from twisting or turning in the wind. Next thing here is we're going to raise the message board. So we open up the battery compartment. When you first get the product, these cables are disconnected. So you'll want to connect these cables and then use the up and down arrows to raise the board. Okay, now let's turn the message board here. Remove the pin and then rotate the board until you find a suitable position. And then you simply replace the pin to lock it in place. So next step here is programming a message. So we're going to go back to the onboard controller. Hit the touch screen, make sure the sign display is on, admin, enter into the system, and then there's a test message that is being displayed by default. To change a message, you simply go to edit message, type in your message, hit play, double hit the message, and it's already displaying on the message board. As you get more used to deploying these things, it will become more common practice. And if you require additional training or additional consultation for your project, make sure you reach out to ATS Traffic, your trusted leaders in traffic safety.